Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. And is priced below $65,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.